Brazil's Supreme Court has ordered the arrest of a professional footballer who was convicted of murdering his girlfriend, then prematurely released and allowed to sign for a club. Bruno Fernandes de Souza, who was an icon during his period as goalkeeper for Brazil's most popular club Flamengo, handed himself into police, ending 2 months of liberty that had generated fierce debate about the violence and misogyny of Latin America's biggest country. He has served less than a third of the 2-year sentence handed down by a lower court, ordering the 2010 killing of his marriage partner and the mother of his child, Elisa Samudio. But lawyers secured his release in February with a petition for habeas corpus. The country's notoriously slow courts had failed for several years to rule on his appeal. To the fury of the victim's family and many women's groups, as he is best known, then signed a 2-year contract with a second-division football club Boa Esporte in Minas Gerais state. Protesters staged demonstrations outside the ground, saying the club was endorsing femicide and the very high levels of violence against women in Brazil. Hackers posted denunciations on the club website. Several sponsors dropped out. But he also had many supporters in the crowd, who chanted "Somos todos Bruno," "We are all Bruno." Despite testimony heard during the trial, their hero had conspired with his friends to kill Samudio and feed her to his dogs. He played 5 games. The Attorney General Rodrigo Yanit successfully called for his release to be reversed. The defense's legal team were partly to blame for the delays in his appeal. Bruno turned himself in at a police station in Varginha, in the south of Minas Gerais. He is now being held in a detention center in Santa Luisa. Sonia Moura, mother of Elisa Samudio, said she glad to hear the news. "I feel relieved. It was revolting the way he had come out of prison laughing," she told local media. The convict's lawyer Lucio Adolfo told local media he would appeal. "Bruno is, like me, outraged and distressed," he said. But he predicted the football contract would be rescinded.